I want to talk about motivation. How do you motivate yourself to learn programming? How do you motivate yourself to do anything? And I thought of two stories that I'm going to tell you that help me today, every day. And something that I used to do, I'm not doing anymore, and that is watching YouTube videos on motivation. Yes, I used to do that, and no, they don't help. I see them as just like drinking Red Bull. You drink one can and for the next 12, 24 hours, you're doing work. It's great, you're feeling great. And after that, you just crash. Your body crashed mentally, and that's it. You'll go back to your old self. And when that happened, I thought of, okay, I'm having this problem. That means that I need to fix my core thinking, the way I think, the way I do things. Those motivational videos is just, it's like a pill. You take a pill, lasts you for some time, you have to take it again. You don't want that because it doesn't last. You want for that thing to last, meaning that you have to do things differently. You have to think differently because we're in this game to win it, right? Whatever it is that we want to do, whatever it is that we want to motivate ourselves to achieve. So in my case, in the past, I'll tell you the first story, is that I became a programmer. I was learning programming, not because I liked it, I love programming, but the main thing that I tried to achieve is to get my documents, my PR card to be in Canada. It's like a green card, but in the United States, but this is in Canada. So I had a specific goal in mind. And when something happens where I'm feeling unmotivated, I will take a day off and I'll start to think about it. What am I trying to achieve again? What am I studying, working towards? Okay, I want to get my PR card, right? Or in your case, whatever it is that might be. It might be a fancier car. It might be a bigger house, a support for your family. That is your goal. What you're doing right now, if you're learning if statements, arrays, functions, whatever it is, you're learning that not because you want to. I mean, you want to, you like to, but you're learning this to achieve your main goal. So when it comes to learning programming, learning that new skill, whatever it is that you want, think about what you're trying to achieve. A goal, you're aiming at something, you're hungry to get that thing. And that is what your core thinking should be. It's not watching the YouTube videos on how do I motivate myself, because that doesn't last, clearly. So you're in this game to win it, and in this game, what you have to do is to think on the longer run. Dude, it took me like 5-6 years to get my PR card in Canada. So, you gotta be patient in this game, right? You can't just think that suddenly if you are feeling motivated today, suddenly somebody just knocks on your door and say, hey, there you go, there's your new house, there's a new fancier car, there's $1 million. It doesn't work that way. In order to get those things, you have to work hard. So if you're stuck on this if loop, if you're stuck on understanding some specific function, some specific thing in programming, or whatever it is that might be, think of that as a test of, okay, I need to get this, because if I don't get this, I don't get whatever it is that I'm going towards. And yes, I had that type of thinking, and no, it wasn't harsh, because I wanted to get it. I was hungry to get what I want. The second story that I want to tell you, and that is, how do I motivate myself today? Because it can be difficult even for me to make YouTube videos every week, to work every day, and to learn programming every day, because it doesn't stop, new things coming out, and I have to stay up to date. So what do? Well, I actually have a crew of people, my own friends, other 3 developers who have exact same goal in mind. And what we do is, if one of us doesn't feel too motivated, if one of us, let's say, feel depressed, if one of us is down, whatever it is, we're there to support them. So if, let's say, I don't know what to do, right? They'll give me an advice. They'll tell me what is it that I should do. They'll remind me of my goal. And in that way, we help each other. We push each other forward. Just like, and that's what you need. You need to have your own crew of people. It doesn't need to be big. It can be just 2 people, you and your other friend. As long as you share the same goal, as long as they can give you a good advice on what is that you need to do. So those are the 2 stories that helped me to stay motivated in the past, and to keep on motivating myself today. And if you know somebody who's feeling unmotivated, send them this video and like the video as well, so it can reach more people, so we can help out others and make this community bigger. And by making this community bigger, I mean subscribe to the channel and like the video. But thanks for checking out this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.